Here we'd like to introduce how to set the level setting of the repeater. Okay, here first we'd need to enroll the wireless remote controller to the repeater. Okay, start. First, press the button 1 to enroll the wireless.
要这个文件还是什么？不是，这样，我看一下啊，808的。
Trigger the wireless remote controller.
103
Okay, enroll successful.
103。
Then we'll test if the enroll wireless success. Yes, it's okay. Then we'll set how to make the data export. Export level 1 to the data level 2 to the second repeater. Press button 1. Press button 3 together. Then trigger the button 5. 导出 save text. Okay, now this repeater is in the data export process. Then we'll set the second repeater. During the data import, just import the data information to this repeater. Press button 2, 3 together and trigger the 5. Okay, the two repeaters are in the transmitting. Now together and trigger the button 5 for the repeater 1 and trigger the button 5 for the repeater 2. Okay, then you can trigger the remote controller to see if they are in the data transportation. Again, first, second. Okay, once again. First, second. Okay, once again. First, second. Now success.